Hello students, welcome to Standard 9 Subject Mathematics, Chapter 9, Areas of Parallelograms and Triangles. This is lecture number 4 now, and the new concept in this chapter is now triangles on the same base and between the same parallels. As we remember that before this we have seen the parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels, and in this lecture, in place of that parallelograms, we have to think about the triangles now. Triangles on the same base and between the same parallels. So the theorem related to this is the two triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. It is very similar to that the previous result. In that also we have seen, if we would have parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels, they have equal area. In triangles case also the same result we have. If two triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area, in triangles also the same area will be equal area will be if the two triangles are on the same base and between the same parallels. Theorem 9.3 we have as converse of theorem 9.2. Why? Let's see. The two triangles having the same base, as in this theorem, same base in both the theorem it is given, and equal areas also. If you find the two triangles having the same base as well as the same area, equal area, then they will lie between the same parallels. This will be the conclusion. It can be only happens if the two triangles are between the same parallels. If they have two triangles have same base and equal area, then they will be between the same parallels. This is theorem 9.3, converse of 9.2 we can say. That's why. Now let's use this result, theorem 9.2 and 9.3 in example 3 and 4. We'll see. So example 3 is, show that median of triangle divides it into triangles of equal areas. For this, the situation is shown in this figure. Triangle ABC is shown here. Its AD is median, and because of AD, the two triangles so formed are ABD and ACD. These two triangles have equal area that we have to show here. So in solution, the data is the given is AD is median in triangle ABC. AD is median. The median, you know, the median is the line segment whose endpoints are, one of the endpoints will be the vertex of the triangle, and the second endpoint, last endpoint will be the midpoint of the opposite side. This D is midpoint of BC. So this AD is median of triangle ABC, it is given. What to prove? Because of this median, the two triangles so formed are ABD and ACD, they have equal area. So area of ABD equals to area of ACD. This we want to show here or we want to prove here. So in proof, to prove this, let's construct AN perpendicular on BC. This is extra construction we have to draw AN. So by broken line we have shown here. AN is extra constructed, that is perpendicular on BC, making 90 degree, that is. Now we know that area of triangle equals to half into base into altitude. This formula we know. Place this value, formula for area of triangle ABD. You can see this triangle ABD. So its area equals to half, its base is BD. If you consider BD is base, then corresponding altitude on that is EN. So that is placed here. Area of ABD equals to half as half is BC. Base is BD and into altitude is on that EN that we have used. So this as result 1. Now here AD is median. AD is median, it is given actually. If AD is median, so D is midpoint of BC, therefore D is midpoint of BC. And if D is midpoint of BC, you know that this D point divides BC in half, means it bisects BC. that is BD, the length of BD equals to length of DC. Means BD equal to DC, BD equal to DC or CD. You can say this will be, and say this as result 2. So from result 1 and 2, what happens? In 1, on the left side we have area of ABD equals to half as half. This BD can be replaced by CD because BD equal to CD. In result 2 we have CD and AN as it is. Now this situation you see in the figure. This is half. This DC is base for the triangle ACD. DC is base for the triangle ACD, and AN is an altitude on that base. So this situation, half CD into AN, half CD into AN shows the area of triangle ACD, because half area of triangle ACD equals to half base into altitude. So half base is DC, on that altitude is AN. So half CD into AN shows area of ACD. Area of ACD. So hence it is true. On the left side we have area of ABD, and on the right side we are getting area of ACD. Hence the proof we have. So by the median, this result actually for the further coming questions on exercise or next coming questions, you remember always, if you draw a median in a triangle, that median will divide the given triangle into equal area. Remember this. Now we have wrote it also. Example 4. In figure, this is the figure is given. ABCD is a quadrilateral. You can see ABCD. This quadrilateral is given. BE parallel AC. This BE is parallel to AC given, and also BE meets DC produced at E. BE meets DC produced. DC produced means DC you have to produce it, means extend it, and where this BE and DC is produced, they meet at E. This is the situation with the figure given. Now we have to show that the area of triangle ADE, this area of triangle is equal to the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Area of quadrilateral ABCD, this we want to show here. So in solution, the data is in quadrilateral ABCD, this BE parallel AC and BE intersection of reduced DC at E, reduced DC and BE intersection sign it is, they are intersecting at point E. So by symbolical way it is produced, it is expressed here in data in quadrilateral ABCD, BE parallel AC given, and BE and reduced DC intersection point is E. To prove, we want to prove here that the area of AD, that is in short area AD, that is area AD equals to area of quadrilateral ABCD can be written as area of quadrilateral ABCD this way, area of ABCD. This we want to do. So in proof, here triangle BAC, you see this triangle BAC, this triangle, and triangle EAC, BAC and EAC are on the same base AC. See this triangle BAC, this triangle, and EAC, this triangle. Both have same base AC, and lie between the same parallels BE parallel AC or AC parallel BE. This is given. So these two triangles BAC and EAC are on the same base AC and between the same parallels. So by theorem 9.2, which we have, we can say these both the triangles area will be equal. Therefore, area of BAC, this triangle's area, equals to area of EAC, this triangle's area, because they have same base AC and between the same parallels. So by theorem 9.2, we can show the equal area. Now on both the sides, area of ADC is added. So area of BAC as it is plus area of ADC is added. ADC triangle's area is added. Equals to here also area of EAC as it is plus area of ADC is added. On both the sides, equal area is added. So equals are added on the both the sides, will make the thing equal only. Now see this situation in the figure. area of BAC region is this part plus ADC is this part. So combining these two, it gives area of ABCD. The whole area ABCD gives. Equals on that side also. You see the area of EAC, this area, plus area of ADC, this area. This area and this area gives EAC plus ADC gives this quadrilateral, this triangle actually, ABE triangle, the whole triangle. So in place of these two sum, we can write area of ABE, right? And that means we wanted to prove area of AD equals to area of ABCD. So we have here area of AD equals to area of ABCD. So this way, very simply, we have proved this example 4 also. This type of proofs we have to do in the exercise 9.3. So it is your homework to complete and solve exercise 9.3, which is the last exercise in this chapter. 9.4 is also there, but it is not so compulsory in exam point of view. So up to exercise 9.3, you have to finish this, and this chapter will be completed. Thank you.